You look gorgeous. Oh, jeez. I almost tripped. All right. So what are we doing here today, Cassadee? What are we going to do? We're going to do what with the flowers?
Put on my Rapunzel hat.
Put them on your Rapunzel hat. Okay, she's got her happy fingers on. All right, so ready? Where are you going to put this one? Right at the bottom there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead.
Let me help.
Take it right like this and just stick it in. Done. All right, get the next flower.
Wait, no, the color was
It's okay, we'll fix that later. Hold it like this. All right, are you gonna stick it on?
I used to come.
Well, you got the happy fingers, so fingers don't get burned. Take the next flower. Hold it like this so I can put the glue on. Ready? Go ahead, stick it on.
You do the pressing part.
I'll do the, okay, good idea. I'll do the pressing part. There's another one. Okay, put it on. Oops. I'll get one happy finger. Put another one.
No, wait.
Wait.
This is good.
Oh. Okay, grab it. Not with that hand, with the other hand. There you go. Put it on.
I
You
can't.
got it? All right, I'll do it. All right. Next one.
I want to do butterfly.
I'm going to do the butterfly. Oop. I gotta cut some of this. Hold on. There we go. Okay, now hold it.
Yes.
Okay, put it on.
I don't.
Gotta go this way. Put it this way.
No,
What?
it's good.
It's just a string. There's a lot of them. We'll get them all at the end. See, they're all like spiderweb strings. Just glue strings. Okay, got it? Okay, put it on. Perfect. One more. Let's just cut that down a little bit. Got it? Huh?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. No. Perfect. Wow, look at all those beautiful flowers on Rapunzel. Want to try it on? No?
I want to make it. I want to cool down.
You want to let it cool down? Okay.
No, these ones are already made.
Yeah, I know. Those are already made. These were already on there. And these were... Cool. See? Quick and easy, huh? So what did we do? We took yellow yarn and we braided it. We did it at 6 feet long and then braided it, did small braids, broke it in half, and then made one big braid to make Rapunzel's hair. And it's a headband. Ta-da! Beautiful! Are we all done? Okay, let me go. Oh, I put the happy fingers on the floor.